Hello everyone and welcome back or to our channel. This is A-Team Adventures and we wanted to wish everyone a happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and provide some updates for you all on what we've been up to and kind of our plans for this coming winter. Here you're seeing some footage of some of our final days in Colorado before we headed back east to do a job selling Christmas trees. So here we were in southern Colorado, and then we made our way down to New Mexico. While in New Mexico, we went to a hot spring for my birthday, and it was a very beautiful hot spring, and it was actually super deep. There were some other pools, and it was right next to the Rio Grande River, and it was in this big, beautiful gorge. There was also a bunch of campsites nearby, so that was a really cool place to visit. At this point in the trip, it was early November, and we were kind of waiting to see if we were going to head east to do Christmas trees or head west to work at a ski resort. We found this beautiful campsite near Santa Fe, New Mexico, and were able to bunker down here for a few days, and we were even visited by a beautiful snowstorm. The snow started light and then continued overnight, and in the morning we woke up covered in snow. The desert landscape was so quiet, and it was so cool to see the cacti and pinon trees all covered in white. The drive out was a little sketchy, but it was pretty much melting off the road, and we made it out of there just fine. After we left New Mexico, we ended up heading back east to Atlanta, Georgia to sell Christmas trees. Here we are, stopped at the Cadillac Ranch in Texas, and it was super muddy while we were there. It was kind of an interesting stop, but I don't know if it's really worth it. It is a good place to stretch your legs, and it's kind of cool to see what everyone marks on the cars. We ended up finding this absolutely beautiful spot in Oklahoma right next to a lake. It was a perfect quiet campsite to escape from the hustle and bustle of I-40. Also on our way home, we made our way to Arkansas to visit Alex's grandparents. They live basically on a farm, and there's tons of sheep, so they were really cute, and we got to pet the sheepdogs. It's always great to stop and hang out with family, and it was much needed before our very long job of working Christmas trees. So we worked at a Christmas tree lot outside of Atlanta, Georgia, and this was our lot. It was beautiful sunset this night, and Alex took this video from the roof. Here's us unloading a truck of trees. We had quite a few of these trucks throughout the season, and just be touching trees. Alex and I both became certified for handlers while we were there. So it was a really fun job. It was a lot of hard work, but it was rewarding, and I really did love the trees. Working at the lot, we did work 30 days straight, and these were pretty much 12-hour days or more, so this was a good way for us to make some money quickly and kind of work really hard in a shorter amount of time. We had a really cool burn barrel there, and there was a great community of friends. After our long days, we would gather around, and this day we even got to burn a tree. Sometimes we would get to burn trees if it had like a broken tip or it was too ugly to sell or something. After our time at trees, we ended up going home for the holidays, and that's where we are right now in Virginia. We do have some more videos coming soon, and we purchased icon passes. So if that's something you're into, make sure to subscribe, and we will see you next time.